On this month today video is going to be on Facebook drama queen Amari and in her head Spice. Not for a fact or maybe not, I don't think Spice is going to intervene or even answer Amari, because we know Amari and her antics. However, Amari is celebrating being #2 on the Jamaica Dancehall countdown. I think it's called Intense. So this is 2 clips showing her celebrating and then going off on Spice. So onto the clips and I'll catch you guys in the next.
This is the first time I see myself on television.
She said it's nominated for a Grammy.
Oh, wow, okay, girl.
I'm finally holding that.
Me #2 in Jamaica?
Yeah. But intense.
Who name Intense?
Intense.
So me #2.
Yeah.
A lie. Amari #2 at Jamaica. I wear the bomber cloth. Jesus. Boy, everybody shout. Rated. Oh my God. Babe, me never seen her so excited. Hold on. Turn it on, look. At first, I see myself on TV. Oh my God. I want that babe chart.
No, intense. Just like
One is so.
Program 10 and then give it 5 30 news.
So me #2.
Yeah, for intense.
We say, all move over. Oh my God. It's a different feeling when you see it, you know. All Colin, shout. Everybody just shout. Oh my God. Thank you, Intense. I saw me say it. Intense, thank you. I saw myself on TV for the first time. Oh, the people. Oh my God. Thank you. Thank you all so much. Oh my God, I love you guys so much. Oh my God. It's a different feeling. I just say Amari go so. Bam, bam, Nico, Rasta, David. I just say Amari go so. Bam, bang, and turn my back on the wall. You remember when I walked through the rock? Me never know I say your dancer. And Nico, blood clot.
Baby. Alright.
You. Yeah. Baby, give me a surprise, me come. Me say me turn on the TV. Me dizzy. Thank you. Thank you all for voting for me. Making me #2 in Jamaica on Intense. And for allowing me, the last time I saw myself on TV was you know, you do interviews but you never see there and then. The last time I saw myself on TV I was 17 years old, no 15 and 17 and Needing You, and they were playing Needing You on the TV all the time. And to think that 34 years later I'm seeing myself on TV. Oh my God. Thank you guys. Thank you. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm going to dedicate a song to you. Thank you for loving me. I know that whatever, I'm going to dedicate it to you. I have it. You know, I just need to voice it. And I have the beat and everything. I should come out with that by tomorrow. Thank you for loving me. I know that we belong so much better. Thank you. And tomorrow we put out thank you. Babe, what my shoes, honey? I didn't want to have difference. I didn't want to wear my little blue flip-flop. Oh my gosh. Thank you guys. I got to go though. I got to catch the restaurant because they close early. Oh my God. You guys are the best. I can't believe. And then a voice said, this is just the beginning. I got to go, okay? Because, you know, I have to catch the restaurant. But thank you, Intense. And thank you, my fans. I love you, my friends. Thank you. I love you so much. Mwah! Oh, my God. who call themselves female artists, they never lift you up. They never empowered you. And I don't know why a fucking queen would be splitting out her pussy on stage with a bag of hoes behind her that have no abiding city, no rank, or no man want to be with them, pussy sour and unclean, and called herself what? The fucking queen? What the fuck? What the fuck? I told you I was coming, bitch, but you didn't believe me. Last year around this time, I say, spies, watch out for me. I'm coming. Can somebody find the video and send it to me, please? But the itch sat there in Wonderland like Alice, not believing in me, not believing that I was going to come to fetch your ass. And now she's like, I look at Spice. Spice looks so old. And Amari is looking young. Ladies, I'm here to empower you. I'm here to help you to reach for the stars. So why don't you support Amari? Yes, this is not politics. This is politics, the real politics. So take me to number one. Millions of views. I promise I will entertain you. Yes, let the views soar. Don't support the videos that other people post. Support the video that Amari posts. Nico by Amari. Right now, ladies and gentlemen, it's at 250,000. We need to take it to a couple millions. And I'm depending on you to see me through. You, because you got the power. No one else. Not the DJs, no one else. You, my fans. You, my goodies. And big up to my hoodies. And big up to my shubbies. Only you can take me where I need to be. I will empower you. I will empower your children, and I will work my ass off to make sure that you have pads every month. What are those? No, babe, love my dress so much you want me to take it off. Oh, yeah. What have they done for you? Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is what Amari will do for you. If I get the big bus, I will make sure that I provide pads. Because many of us have to be using toilet tissue, tearing up the sheet. I used to wear my grandmother undies. I will provide pads for your beautiful daughters and for yourself. Because we be seeing our menstruation for 30, 40 years. You get what I'm saying? I will also provide menopause pills for you. Because no, these artists don't help you. So they consider you to be miserable. You just have to sit on the computer looking entertainment. Because your man can't even stand you. Because he don't understand menopause syndrome. Amari will take care of you. What else will Amari do for you? Amari will come on and motivate you with live shows. These are the people. What do? They want you to worship them. They want you to adore them. They want you to watch them and build them up. Have they ever done anything for you? Have they? You can't even get them on the phone. They don't even communicate with you. You know why? Because they don't respect you. They look down on you. But I have a bond. I have a friendship with you. Make me. I am already. Now it's for you to make it come through. The empress of not just dancehall. Already we have surpassed Madonna this year. Like I say, she's getting old. Wendy Williams, getting old. Oprah, retire. Put me where I belong. I do not belong here on earth. I belong on the throne in heaven. And I'll take you there with me. Watch and see. I'll be the biggest singer out of Jamaica in 2020 and many years to come. So where are those dog shit? Those motherfucking fucked out bitches who call themselves female artists? Oh my gosh. They're worried right now. And I'm coming out, Tim. I want the world to know. Gotta let it show. I'm coming. They say I'm crazy, but that's okay. Take my videos, send them viral. I promise I will not let you down. Team Amari, let's go. Let's get to work, ladies. Follow me on YouTube. Follow me on Facebook. Give me those views. I love you. I'm coming out.